Steering wheel, go. Okay. Turn it, other way. Get down. Yeah, that's how we do it, right? How do you do a car? Guys, the new project is in. Took us a while to unload it because we couldn't start the truck. We couldn't jump the batteries. It has 2 batteries, and I tried jumping them both and just wouldn't do it. I checked the voltage on both of them, and they're like 2 volts, 3 volts. So these are pretty dead, and I'll have to buy new ones. But I'm gonna try to trickle charge them just for now, so I can move the truck forward if I can. I'm just curious if it'll actually even start. That's the one thing I was really curious about. But now let's take a look at the damage on the back. So the rear didn't break off, the U-bolts did not break off like I thought they would. It pretty much bent the leaf spring on the front. So the back looks good. Nothing bent on the back, nothing bent as far as leaf mounts. So everything is looking good. So it might be a little more expensive to replace the leaf spring than the U-bolts, but at least there seems to be less damage than I expected. From my understanding, somebody maybe just ran into the back tire from the back because the way it bent, and then it broke off this wheel well cover on the bed. And there's a couple little things here on the door, but that's kind of expected. The inside is a little dirtier than I thought. The seat is ripped. It had the cover on the seat during the auction, so I didn't see this through, but it's one of those things, you know, when the truck has 130 miles, 130,000 miles on it, it's gonna have a lot of wear and tear. I don't know what's going on here, but the back seats seem to be a lot better. But there is a lot of mess here in the back, so I'm hoping I'll find some gold or something, I don't know, some treasure. So yeah, other than that, let's see, the dome light is working now. Let's see if I can turn it off so the battery, nope. I guess you can't. I think it'll go off on the battery when the doors are closed for a few minutes. So I'm hoping the batteries will take a little bit of charge so I can move the truck and try to start it. And then I'll buy 2 new batteries, so. And also the engine's pretty dirty, so I'll have to do a lot of cleaning. And I'll probably do all the oil changes on it, transmission, rear end, front end, etc. Because I don't know when that was changed, and that's one of those things I like doing. When I get a truck that I don't know the history of, I just do all that maintenance, so I'm 100% sure that it's fixed and ready to go. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It'll be a short one, obviously, because I can't really do much with this truck yet. And then hopefully the batteries will be able to start the truck later. If not, I'll go pick up a set of new ones. And we'll see if it starts up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.